Hi everyone. We had a Shanghai Mitsubishi elevator acting up specifically when running to the top floor. The elevator would run, but right at the top. It would slam into an emergency stop. Otherwise, it seemed to run fine on other floors. Time to investigate. Let's head up to the car top. The elevator wasn't even reaching the actual landing level before the final limit switch was getting triggered. That's way too early. I drove down first to reset things. Then, slowly drove up again to watch. The limit switch activates before the car is level. That's definitely causing the emergency stop. Weird, right? The switch and its bracket were tight, no looseness. Made a mark on the bracket for reference. Raised the limit switch bracket slightly, just enough so the car reaches the landing before hitting the switch. There, that's the new position. Drove it up slowly, reaches the landing level smoothly. No emergency stop, no jolt. Put it back on normal run. Perfect leveling, no issues. Problem solved. Just needed that limit switch repositioned. Ever run into something similar? Share your thoughts below.